we are still missing the component for entering the employee's hire date. For this purpose, we will use input date. So I will copy the control from our form again, just like I did before. We have a form group, then a form label, hire date. And now we use input date, bind, value set as date of employment and class form control. And now if I run the application, it will work. But notice that we have an ugly date here, January 1st, year 1. And if someone wants to select a date from the calendar, they have to start from this date. So it's a good practice to make it easier for the user to enter the date and set a default date from the start, which the user can then adjust. We can do this here. When initializing our object, we can set date of employment to date, time, now. And now, if you go back to the application, you will see that we have a nice date set from the start, which we can adjust. We can change it on the calendar or directly in the control by entering a date. Great. Now I invite you to the next lesson, where I will show you how to save the data we entered on the form.